team. So this is the front end. So this is the POS solution which I'm going to show you. So here you can easily register yourself. Okay. Then we have a register or login option, so you can easily log in here. Then we have a language, so here you can set up language, or here you can check the packages. Then we have front end, like what service we are providing or what details we have. This is the front end details, feature details, or these are packages, so user can easily select any package and then buy. Or these are some reviews which you can use before buying. Okay, so this is a simple register option which I will show you. Now let me log in, or let me show you backend. So this is the backend. So here you can check how much orders we have, sales value, number of restaurants, how much we have, views we have, performance overview, sales overview, how much restaurants we have. So these data you can check it here. You can add it, you can log in as a store. I will show you a restaurant login also. You can either deactivate or delete that. Then we have a pages, so you can set up your pages, and then you can set up your plans also. Just add your plans here, or what features you are providing them, so that features also you can set up. Then we have landing page, so features, testimonials, and other things you can update here. Then we have translation, so you can manage translations. Some settings we have, you can update your social links. Some setups we have, so here you can update these details also, or you can write down other settings, links, and other things. Then we have finance, so we are using Stripe for payment gateway. You can say, add your key, it will work for you, and we'll have default language and time zones which will help you to manage your solutions. SMTP we are using for a mail. These are some super admin details which we are using. Now let me show you a backend which help you to understand what we are providing. Okay, so this is the restaurant login which I'm going to show you. Restaurant management, so you can set up restaurant name, description, minimum order, average order, prepared time in minute of. These are some details which first we will set up, then we can save it. So it's help you to manage your software. So these are pickup, delivery, free delivery. We can disable that ordering also. Then we will set up our working hour, or like location. We can set up our locations. Okay. Then this is the dashboard. Here you can check the sales and all. Which is your plan and all are here you can check. Then we have a live order. Currently we have no setup, or we have no any order, that's why it's not coming. Other things are here like orders data. You can accept any order, or it will be ready to prepare. If you click, so again it's changed. If you click, then it's deliver. If you click again, then it's closed. Okay. So like that you can use that, or here you can filterize. You can reject any order if you want to reject. This is the data. Then we have restaurant, so this is your restaurant which you can update or easily manage. Then we have a menu. Here you can set up menu, you can edit, delete, you can set up your category, you can input a CSV file. Okay, if you click here, then food will be open. So here you can add your food. Here you can add your extras like extra cheese, extra olive, tuna, anything which we are providing extras. Then we have tables, so we can set up tables, or we can set up area. Okay, like first floor, second floor, like that. Then we have expenses, so we can set up expenses. We can delete expense. We can add this expense. We can create multiple expenses. We can check our vendor or category. Then we have POS. These are like tables, so here you can check inside terrace. Then select the table, select the food, add to cart. Now it's ready to serve. Currently this is out of stock, that's why it's not placing for an order. Okay. So this is the Okay, here you can check like category or other things. So demo, you can easily close also. This is the data. Then we have staff, delivery area, and plan. Okay. So I already showed you the complete demos. If you have any doubts, then you can contact with us. Thank you.